There are new concerns tonight about the effects of global warming. A new study warns rapidly melting ice in Greenland could result in a colossal rise in ocean levels. NBC's chief environmental correspondent, Ann Thompson, just witnessed the dramatically thinning ice near Kangerlussuaq in Greenland.
28 miles north of Kangerlussuaq on Greenland's west coast, today's climate and the ice age stand just a half a football field apart.
How old is this ice?
This ice fell as snow about 60,000 years ago.
The ice is Danish glaciologist J.P. Stephenson's history book.
Or you're standing with the ice that sort of contained the ash fallout of the Vesuvius eruption that ruined Pompeii.
For nearly 30 years, Stephenson has analyzed the sediment and gases trapped in the ice that reveal how Earth's climate changed. Now he watches Greenland's ice sheet grow alarmingly thin at the edges.
This is so tough. The only thing that breaks it is climate and the little lamp up there called the sun.
But recently the ice here has undergone a dramatic change. Just a short 10 years ago, the ice was 45 feet higher than it is today.
Stephenson says the ice is starving.
10 years ago, there was a much bigger supply of ice from further inland. That supply has stopped because there's an increased melting on the way out here.
Increased melting caused by greenhouse gases warming the Earth. For thousands of years, Stephenson says the Earth's climate has endured changes, but slowly enough to allow humans to adapt. Now, change is picking up speed.
It worries me that we might be able to trigger a global change which is much faster than even the models can predict.
Stephenson notes throughout history humans have struggled against drastic change, like the Norwegians who settled Greenland.
They came up when it was warm in medieval times. When the Little Ice Age came in the 16th, 17th century, they got wiped out and they died out because of poor conditions.
And ancient cultures thousands of miles away.
When the Little Ice Age kicked in, it didn't become cold in the Yucatan, but it became drier. And that hit the Maya culture, so that culture had really time struggling on because of lack of water.
Stories of the past that Stephenson says provide a cautionary tale for our future. Ann Thompson, NBC News on the Greenland ice sheet.